Hey guys, welcome to Ingratry Aromas. Today I want to show you guys a little bit about peppermint and to give you some information. So hopefully this is going to be helpful for you today. So today this is a brand new peppermint that I got off online, and you have so much different kind of peppermint, guys. You have some stronger than some, and I'm also gonna throw some information up on the screen also for you. If I don't give you enough information, I'm just gonna run over this video and so that you can get the information. So peppermint oil may be helpful to relieve symptoms and irritation, bowels, and other effective digestive system. Different form may also help to relieve different ailments and pains, and benefit to your skin. As you can see here, I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to pour some into this little glass container that I have here. I'm going to show you how or what it look like. Some are different, and some may come out a little greenery, different look. Some look like a little yellowish looking color, and some will look very clear like this one, but very strong and powerful. So how I use my peppermint, sometimes I use it for aromatherapy, and so sometimes I'll put them into diffusing oil. I will put them into room sprays. I will put them into making products like foot balms, and it's good for scalp as well, guys. But also remember, when you're using peppermint oil, sometimes your cats or your dog nose are very sensitive to these, so just be careful. So peppermint oil can be extracted from leaves of the peppermint plants, and it is used for various of purposes, and it can be sharp odor, that cooling and refreshing. I mean, peppermint in your prescription, guys. So if you go to the pharmacy and stuff like that, and you get like a pain reliever, like a cream and stuff like that, you can smell that peppermint on the inside of it. It is very tasty too as well. Um, a familiar smell like the peppermint that you will plant outside and have as tea. Um, like if you put it in your mouth, you'll feel that coolness of it, and so there is so much different ways of using peppermint. um, so just be careful when you use peppermint. um, it can be very, very strong. If you intend to use it in any product whatsoever, please remember to get the measurement for these, um, uh, the use of it, I should say. So peppermint is really good, like I said, for irritation before. It's good for nausea and other digestive issue as well. And it's good for common cold also, and headache. um, it is a typical application for relief from itchiness, muscle pain, and headache. As you can see here, I'm trying to show you. Well, I'm trying to like see if I can put it back into this little bottle here, but I don't think it's working because it'll take forever. So I'm gonna try to see if I can pour it in this here without making a mess. So in the meantime, I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about this peppermint here. And like I said, guys, if I can't tell you enough about this in this little short video here, I will run the video again. So it is a flavor agent also in food and products such as mouthwash. Also, if you notice your mouthwash, it tastes pepperminty. That's because peppermint is in there. So it's very pleasant in your mouth if you notice. The scent of it is just wonderful in soap and cosmetic. Like I said, I use peppermint all the time in the products. And if you never know before, I guys sell guys I sell like foot massage oil. I sell soap, candles, lots of different serums for the face, and you know other scrub, body scrub, foot scrub, everything that I make. So if you need to know what I make and stuff like that, you can go on Facebook and go Joy Aroma, and you'll see all these different things. So also you can use this peppermint oil here. See, I got it into the little bottle back here again, but I make some mess, but it's okay. It's very strong in here, and thank goodness my cat is on the outside. So I use this into diffuser oil, and in you just put a few drops in your diffuser, and then you got this wonderful smell. And I don't know also if you know that peppermint oil is in capsules as well. It is good orally to take peppermint. I mean, if you put peppermint in your on your body and so forth, um, you I think it's okay to put peppermint in your body, but it is in capsule. I got the capsule from the store, and I take the peppermint. It just a small little one, so you won't taste it or anything like that. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching and on this video. So I'll run it. Like guys, I'm gonna be running this video again because I've not finished talk to you about peppermint before. So want to just let you know some of these peppermints and what it's good for. So I was talking about peppermint before, the capsules, and you can get these capsule on Amazon because that's where I got mine from, guys. Um, Peppermint oil or the benefit record of the medical use of mint plants goes all the way back to the time of our ancestors in Egypt. So, and also Greece and Rome, I believe. You know, these people been using peppermint for before we're up here, you know, nowhere to be found on earth. So, for people that's sick and stuff like that, we need to go back to modern days, guys, back way back, and stop taking so much pill in our system. And the benefit of peppermint oil, it is so much benefit to this. Um, there is so much research, guys, that show how much peppermint is just amazing. Peppermint also can relax and cool in the muscle. It has an anti-inflammatory. Peppermint is also good for the face, the skin, the hair. Peppermint is also often used in cosmetic, like I mentioned before, products, but these are limited amount. A lot of research been done, and peppermint, the benefits of peppermint, and applying to the skin and the ear. There is so much study, guys. I was reading up, and there's just so much study that's done, and peppermint, and the amount of medication peppermints are in, it is crazy. Peppermint also can use for heartburn, nausea, vomiting, you know, just some potential side effects um, can be named here. So be careful when you're using peppermint around children, your pet that I mentioned before, and pregnant people, because of the toxic. Peppermint can be very toxic. I think it's because of the harshness that's in the peppermint. It's very strong, so you gotta be careful around children and pets and pregnant people. You know, just taking very large doses of peppermint can be very toxic, guys. So, because it can contain toxic and compound um, to all these different side effects. So you can use peppermint in. You can also use a peppermint too in oils, not oils, in teas and stuff like that. And for medication, like I mentioned before, that are effective, it can affect your liver if you take too much of it. Research was done, what I was reading about last night, that if you take too much peppermint, it can affect your liver. And these medication included a lot of some medication included a lot of peppermints. One thing I forget to point out, that peppermint essential oil are different from peppermint extract. So one of the things that I wanted to point out here is that peppermint essential oil and peppermint extract are very different. Peppermint essential oil remain the peppermint plant, the aroma compound, because they are carefully extract through steam and distillation. Peppermint extract, on the other hand, is usually made by steaming peppermint in alcohol for a period of time. The only compound that end up in the extract are the one that are alcohol solution. So flavored and colored, and the compound of which peppermint extract may taste and smell real peppermint. It doesn't contain the full array of the compound of the peppermint oil, so beneficial. So the one way you can make a room spray from a blend, you can use 85 drops of peppermint, essential oil peppermint, and you can use 40 drops, of ginger. You can use 2 drops of peppermint essential oil. You can use 2 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 1 drops of rosemary, and you can just add these into your diffuser, and just add some water and turn your diffuser on. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.